Hi everybody, it's Jennifer. I was gifted some solar lanterns. I love the pattern on these. These are gorgeous. They look like metal, but they are plastic. So these are just great. Love these for the summer. They are solar powered, so you charge them outside. Make sure that you turn it on top right there. You can see the on and off. Then once they are charged, look at that. It lights up as soon as it gets dark. You have that great LED light in there and they stay on and they cast such beautiful shadows. I think you can see that there on my hand. So let's take these outside and see what they look like. Look how pretty these are. I just love these solar lanterns. So they are waterproof, safe for outdoors, and I love this sort of beautiful retro look. It is so cool. They're plastic, so they are going to last for a really long time. And look at the lights that they just cast all over. It just adds such a fun touch to your outdoor patio space. These are automatic on at dusk, and you get a 2-pack. You can also get a 4-pack if you need more. You're going to want more. These will last up to 8 hours at night after charging for 6 hours in direct light. I will say I keep these on my porch. It's not in direct sunlight, but they do stay on all night. These are amazing. I also wanted to show you the lights are on my porch right now, and these will still come on with some ambient lighting, so you can still get that beautiful glow. Absolutely loving these. These would make a super great gift. Check them out.